At the break of dawn, this massive facility comes to life. It is a hub of modern agricultural logistics, powered by thousands of solar panels, leading the way in efficiency. Welcome to the future of biosecure farming, where safety and precision meet, protecting every generation. Inside this facility, automation reaches absolute precision. Robotic arms handle thousands of eggs hourly, ensuring perfect alignment for the industrial incubators.
This batch looks excellent. Consistent development.
On day 1, life begins with a single microscopic cluster of cells. By day 3, a tiny heart begins to beat, driving a vast network of blood vessels. Deep within the egg, a precise execution of life begins. Soon, a complex network of blood vessels emerges to nourish the growing embryo. Inside the chamber, precise humidity control is vital. This advanced system releases a microfine mist.
This embryo shows strong vascular development.
Inside the modern hatchery, AI systems scan every egg, rejecting infertile ones with flawless precision. Inside these clinical giants, thousands of eggs reach their final stage of incubation. A delicate push marks the start. In this modern hatchery, automation ensures efficiency. Thousands of chicks are processed daily. Each one undergoes a careful health inspection. Technology meets precision in food production. Advanced AI cameras monitor each chick, ensuring the highest health standards. This is the future of farming.
Temperature and heart rate are within normal limits.
Scene 24 showcases the pinnacle of agricultural engineering. Advanced robotics ensure that each setting new global standards for safety and efficiency.
The vaccine flow is perfectly steady on line 4.
Scene 26 shows precise automation. Healthy chicks move through climate-controlled tunnels. Warm lighting and airflow ensure their complete safety.
Scene 27. Inside the holding room, scale takes on a different meaning. Fluffy chicks thrive in precisely controlled conditions. Warmth and golden light keep them perfectly safe.
Station 4 is showing a slight increase.
Copy that, recording the data. All systems are green. Incubator telemetry is holding steady.
Scene 27. Inside the holding room, scale takes on a different meaning. Fluffy chicks thrive in precisely controlled conditions. Warmth and golden light keep them perfectly safe.
Sanitation protocol for Sector 4 is now active. All automated scrubbers are operating at peak pressure. Hatchery floors are now certified clean.
Strict biosecurity protocols are the first line of defense. Every worker must change footwear and clothing before entering. Hand sanitation ensures no pathogens are carried inside. These units require precise calibration.
Increase rotation on line 4. Synchronize the thermal sensors now.
Inside the industrial incubator, life develops rapidly. A complex network of blood vessels forms. Soon, a new life will emerge.
Efficiency is key in modern hatching operations. Automated systems handle the delicate collection. Tons of calcium-rich shells are repurposed daily.
This unit converts hatchery waste, transforming it into high-value products, creating sustainable solutions for agriculture.
Advanced filtration systems are now idling. They transform industrial waste into pure water. This is the future of sustainable manufacturing. Clean energy is now driving our food systems. This hatchery is powered entirely by the sun. It is a perfect harmony of technology and nature.
Alert. Utility power failure detected. Generator power active and stabilized. All incubators are secure.
We are turning this waste into rich soil.
The outer rim measures exactly 12 millimeters. Mark it down for shipment.
No defects on this one. Easy does it, lock it in. Got it, secured.
They look incredibly healthy and active. We start by checking their vital signs. This digital probe monitors their heart rate. She is in perfect health. Our AI systems monitor flock growth and health in real time, ensuring optimal welfare and efficiency.
This modern system monitors every single egg. It perfectly controls temperature and humidity to ensure the highest possible success rate. It has really revolutionized our whole operation.
Keeping chicks healthy requires a clean environment and precise temperature control. We must check them daily for any signs of distress. Active behavior is the best indicator of a healthy flock or future. The vitelline membrane appears strong. Digital analysis confirms optimal quality. Inside the hatchery, safety is paramount. Continuous testing ensures a sterile and secure environment. The seal integrity on the main hatch looks holding, but we need to check the pressure tolerance.
Let's run the simulation for the opening sequence. Precise thermal control is vital for development. Balanced airflow and humidity ensure optimal gas exchange. Automated cycles mimic natural nesting conditions. Life begins with a single fertilized egg. Through cleavage, the zygote divides. It forms a morula, begin to form inside. Finally, the embryo hatches to implant. Moving as a single, flawless organism, they create a spectacular golden wave. This collective behavior ensures their survival.
Numbers are looking perfect.
Highest hatch rate this quarter.
Incubator cluster 4 shows stable vitals.
Copy that. Proceeding to manual check.
Inside the industrial incubator, life begins under perfect conditions. Precise temperature and humidity ensure a synchronized hatch. Begin their journey to frost the nation.